Disclaimer, this video is different from the rest of my videos. We talk about IPA symbols here, and only certain schools have that in their curriculum. Hello there. These are sounds. But what do they mean in the world of language? To begin with, they're considered the smallest unit of language, just before alphabets. We then take these sounds and turn them into symbols or alphabets so they mean something. These sounds may be small, but they're clever, and they're called phonemes. Just like the alphabets can be divided into consonants and vowels, phonemes can be divided into consonants and vowels too. Actually, there's a lot more than that. We'll see that in this video. You might know consonants like B, C, D, F, G, but really they can be studied by linguists and language scientists in terms of sounds or phonemes. B is an alphabet, while B is the sound that it represents. B is an IPA symbol. IPA simply stands for International Phonetic Alphabet. Sure, we know our ABCs, but do we know our IPAs? Let's take a look at them. In English, we have alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, and so on. But in IPA, we have symbols that represent sounds. They are as follows. B, D, G, Y, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Sh, T, Ch, Z, Z, W, Z, J, J. Isn't language just amazing? You can click the link below to check out a free app for phonetics that I contributed to. Coming back to the topic of this video, we just finished talking about consonants. Let's talk about vowels next. When I say that, most people think about the alphabets A, E, I, O, U. But those alphabets are not enough for the vast variety of sounds we have. So the IPA tries to justify that by introducing more phonetic symbols. Let's take for example the words create and father. Both these words use the vowel A. But it sounds like A when we say create, and it sounds like ah when we say father. Just here it looks like we already have two sounds, A and so let's look at the rest of them. E, E, U, U, E, O, A, O. Those vowels are happy sounds. They are also called monophthongs because they represent only one sound. Mono means one and phthong means sound. This means we have diphthongs too. Sometimes two monophthongs combine to form one diphthong. Only the following diphthongs are possible in the English language. E, U, E, A, Oi, I, O, Ow. That concludes our video for the first unit of language. Sounds are just amazing things, aren't they? It's funny how so many sounds can be represented using IPA symbols. Sure, we saw ones that work for English, but there are so many that work for other languages too. Most people learn the IPA so that they know how to pronounce words better. Knowing the IPA also helps us read a good dictionary. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see it grow. Have a good day!